Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is the scalar, a quantity that has size only and no direction. By the end of this video, you'll know which physics quantities are scalars, which are vectors, and the simplest test to tell them apart on the exam paper. A scalar is a quantity with magnitude only. There is no direction associated with it. Examples include mass, distance, speed, energy, time, and temperature. If you can describe it with just a number and a unit, with no arrow needed, it's a scalar. Three things to lock in. 1. Scalars have size but not direction. 2. Operations on scalars are simple addition. 3. Common physics scalars include distance, speed, energy, time, mass, temperature. Anything that doesn't point is a scalar. Watch out, don't confuse scalars with vectors. Distance is scalar, displacement is the vector version. Speed is scalar, velocity is the vector. The vector version specifies direction, the scalar version doesn't. Quick example, you walked 5 kilometers. That's a distance, a scalar. You walked 5 kilometers north. That's displacement, a vector. Same number, but with direction, it's a vector. The presence of a direction is the test. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged, now including physics, biology, and chemistry. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.